Welcome back to another episode of the FD Build. So a year ago, I wouldn't say today, when I tried to do the exhaust, that's when all hell broke loose, to where I just pretty much took everything out, found the diff leak, found some issues with the wiring harness, but now we're back to put the exhaust on. And here's everything that I picked up. So we got the HKS downpipe, picked up a new gasket, but dang, these things are very expensive. It's like 200 bucks. And then picked up a new O2 sensor, another expensive item, a little over $200. New hardware to attach the downpipe to. And then all this shiny goodness here is the Racing Beat mid pipe, and then the Power Pulse dual tip muffler setup. So we're gonna be putting that on, and I got a special guest here to help me out with everything. I'm trying to swing him over to the rotary side. Ladies and gentlemen, Jelly Man. So what do you think, man, of the FD?
FD, dude, it's a beautiful car, man. Sexy car. I keep telling you, bro, you need to throw in the damn 2 Jay-Z in this, bro. We need to. You won't have all these problems, bro.
Oh my goodness. And yeah, there are quite a bit of problems, but you know, we're slowly getting there.
He also painted the name of his more legitimate business.
All right, so we got Jelly Man down there, tightening the lower portion of the downpipe bolt, which are 14 mil, by the way. Before you get started on this, if you have an O2 sensor, definitely want to put that on beforehand. It definitely makes this much easier. And then this will go into the engine harness, which is located on the back side of the intake manifold. Ladies and gentlemen, the ASC certified rotary mechanic. I ended up getting these ground straps from JP3 Motorsport. So what's the saying with grounds, Jelson?
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Oh my. A happy car with grounds is a good car with grounds, or something like that. I don't know.
You don't even know it. Shit.
So, downpipe section, mid pipe, and then the piece that goes to the actual muffler. Jelly Man's getting the muffler right now, and then all the hardware. But kind of overkill, but this is the ground strap, so you just put it in on one end. And so I'm going to snug it up here, clean this area up, have good contact. And same over here, connect it to the exhaust, and then I'm going to loosen this up, clean it up a little bit, attach it to there. And yeah, we should have a really good grounding system on the FD. And yeah, we are almost done. So once we get the muffler on, kind of just gauge the clearances here, we'll be set to just snug everything down and then awe the wonderful goodness of the Racing Beat exhaust. So there it is, everyone. We got the Racing Beat exhaust on. Pretty much the whole exhaust system is on right now. So all we need to do is just tighten up all the assemblies, put the ground straps on. But look at that, she's looking so good. Finished up. We got the HKS downpipe on, the Racing Beat mid pipe, and muffler on. It's a little too dark right now. I don't think anyone's gonna be able to see it, but we'll give it one last look. Yeah, I think I think that's gonna be the ticket right there, ladies and gentlemen. And I want to give a big special thanks to my guy Jelson for coming in and helping. Hey,
Yes,
thanks
sir.
again, man. I appreciate the help.
Anytime, bud.
So yeah, we're almost there. We got now we just really got to do the fluids. I just got to go in there, retorque the drivetrain, make sure everything's right, and hopefully the startup is very, very, very soon. So I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.